Welcome back to #Miata Life. In this video, I'm going to show you my new DRL LED turn signals that I've had for a couple months. Finally getting around to making a video about them. I want to start by saying these are the housings that I use. They're the crystal clear aftermarket ones that you can pretty much get anywhere. My whole setup is completely reversible back to stock if that's your thing. It's good to have extra wiring harnesses for your bulbs because you will be cutting these, and that's it. So I'm gonna get to showing you how I got mine wired. Alright, so this is how I have mine wired. This wire right here is what goes to your headlight switch. When you turn your headlights on, these will make these lights light up. But for the purpose of DRLs, I'm not wanting that, so I cut and just folded this wire in on itself because it's not even needed anymore. This is the new hot wire. I actually have this particular wire ran across to my other turn signal. I'll show you that in just a minute. Here you have the ground and the wire for your turn signals. Now, to prevent the hyperflash, you'll want to get a set of load resistors and splice that in between the ground and the turn signal wire. Then you won't have the hyperflash. These bulbs are pretty cool. I'll put the link in the description. I got them off Amazon. They're just white and amber switchback bulbs. Pretty cool. And so now I'm going to show you how I have the power connected. Alright, now that hot wire from over there I have running behind the bumper to this light, and I have it connected basically like a Y. It's connected to this bulb, and then from that it goes to the power source. Now for the power, I just used this 12-volt power source under the hood. All the early Miatas have these. The NBs might as well, I'm not sure. But it's completely unused and it's just a 12-volt power source. So I just used a spade connector, plugged it into that, and that power source is only powered when the ignition's on, which is perfect. And that's pretty much it. Pretty easy installation. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them as quick as I can. And be sure to hit that like button. There will be more videos coming. I got a lot of parts coming in. New radiator, coolant reroute, some other stuff. I'll probably do a video on most of that. All right, peace.